Hi everyone, it's me Vivian and welcome to Remington Just For You video series. In this video, I will teach you different styles and techniques just for you using our very own Remington personal care products. So stay tuned and follow this series. Hi guys, I'm Vivian Visconde, hair and makeup artist. I've been doing hair and makeup professionally for the past 5 years and I'm here today to share with you different but easy to do hairstyles using this wonderful Remington brand of hairstyling tools in whatever looks you wish for, elegant formal, stylish rugged, or gorgeous casual. Fun fact, call it destiny for I have been using my trusty Remington hair care products for more than 5 years already. In partnership with Docums Philippines Incorporated, we will have lots of fun doing some magic of bringing out the beauty of everyone. Yes, it can be done the Remington way. So, let's get started. So today, we will be using our Remington Infinite Protect Hair Straightener. So for today, ang model natin is si Aliyah. So Aliyah, ang gagawin natin sa hair mo today is braided half bun using our Remington Infinite Protect Hair Straightener. Ready ka na ba? Okay, let's start. So guys, before we start, pakita ko lang sa inyo ang features and settings ng ating Remington Infinite Protect. So meron tayong 150 to 230 degrees. And then meron din tayong button dito na infinity yung sign. So click natin siya, then may lalabas na blue light, which is indicator na naka-on na siya. So, ang gagamitin natin sa hair ni Aliyah is yung ating 230 degrees. Ayan, hintayin lang natin siya umilot, guys. So, guys, section muna natin yung hair ni Aliyah before tayo mag-start. So, gagawa lang tayo ng waves. Big waves lang para sa ating braided half bun para magkaroon siya ng konting volume. Iwan lang natin yung part ng bangs niya. Start na tayo dito. Kuha lang tayo ng section ng hair. Tapos, section ulit natin siya para ma-absorb ng hair yung heat na tamang-tama lang para sa kanya. Then, pataas lang yung ating hair straightener. Tapos, twist then pull. Isa pa. Upwards, then twist. By the way guys, the Remington Infinite Protect Straightener has intelligent sensor and advanced ceramic-coated plates infused with shea oil and UV filters, offering your hair 2.5 times more protection and 5 times longer-lasting colors for beautiful vibrancy and shine. So guys, pakita ko lang yung ating heat-resistant na pouch na included sa ating Infinite Protect Hair Straightener. So, super cute niya. Tapos, pagka nagmamadali ka, pwede mo siya ilagay agad. And meron din siya guys na pinch lock. Ayan. For easy storage. Ayun lang. Proceed na ulit tayo. So guys, paulit-ulit lang nagagawin natin sa hair ni Aliyah yung ganitong procedure. Ayan. Hanggang sa kabila. So, tapusin lang natin. So guys, tapos na tayo sa pag-curl ng hair ni Aliyah. So proceed na tayo sa main hairstyle niya, which is the braided half bun. So guys, kunin lang natin yung part ng crown area ni Aliyah. And then, polish lang natin. Supply lang natin. Okay. So guys, kuha lang tayo ng elastic band. Then, gagawa lang tayo ng low pony. Tapos guys, itong pinoni natin, gagawa tayo ng 3 section. Then, i-braid lang natin siya. Okay lang kahit hindi siya masyadong tight. Para mas malaki yung bun na magawa natin. Tapos, kuha lang tayo ulit ng elastic band. Then, secure lang natin yung dulo ng braid. Kuha lang tayo ng maliliit na sections ng hair ni Aliyah. Then, pull lang natin siya para mas malaki yung ating bun na magawa para mag-volumize siya. Kaya din guys, hindi ko sinagad yung dulo ng braids niya para may makuha tayo pataas. And then guys, yung grenade natin na hair end, as you can see, malaki na siya, volumized na siya. So, ang gagawin natin is iikot lang natin siya. Yan. Tapos, secure lang natin siya ng bobby pin. Pa-volume pa natin siya. Hatak-hatak lang tayo ng sections ng hair. Kunin ko lang yung bangs ni Aliyah, then papa-volume lang natin siya. So, ganito yung pagpapa-volume ng bangs niya para hindi rin kasi masyadong maganda guys if curly yung harap. Tapos guys, gawa lang tayo ng konting volume dito. Hatak lang natin siya. So guys, comb lang natin yung hair niya. Either finger comb or yung malalaking agwat na comb pwede natin gamitin. So guys, we're done with our braided half bun. Proceed muna tayo sa makeup. So guys, here's our final look for our braided half bun. Thank you for watching.
Hanggang sa lupa, mananatili ka, di na hayaan.